Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how and where to find the referral code, and I have some information about changing referral code and how you can do that. So if we go here to the promotion and then right here to the referral rebates, or we can also sign in for affiliate program. Now for referral rebates, right here you will see all the information when you get something in exchange of your referral code. Right here at the top you will see your default referral code and the full default referral link. Now sadly you can't change referral code. You can just change with that you create new account. So if you don't have any deposits right in this account, then you can basically just create a new one and you will get a new referral code. So this is the only way, sadly. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next